company ya MRM ayuale ayechi size ao nabwego nechirangi ao nkonya bale black sheets egati ebintu binde vinge inyura nka mbamwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbamwa tobokoreri wa forklift asebego bokoreri wa which customer care bole obu ebirengo bigoro to tigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolera ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Ouru complex eyuerangi na magacho Safaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakuru ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomucho bosongo bakere simgwe transact number chabo 0111 161 500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Maragoba ya vene umancho murigirira seri tuko rieti chigata to karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabona Maragoba nchengro kwa Matildah Obaigwa kuvaterana na nyavuke vene kwa sensemo yebi manyerero kavana intwe mwase mutandao wa Facebook na boigo oyo YouTube sagotonyora buna Getembe TV nane kirongo chaka Ekeonga nikubona mukonye bumurai kurase kyama ya Jubilee Dr. Fredo Kengo Matiangi itukoria lero Chinsa chamambia anyara gusanga na babotani kurwa aserombe ya linda mwananchi bakurawa na umuseneta we county ya Nairobi umuske Edwin Sifuna niganyara kubaligania asicha visichae chichigutuka asinka yaye meyo muchukaren ase county ya Nairobi na tinga kiecho banyara utwara ekerenga kemo yokorigiriria enchira buranyara kurusi serikali ere AVC ase emirimo ase boigo bakora ayaiga kero irombe yo yalinda mwananchi yerobirete ko chokoleta rocha rugongo rwa Western Kenya weekend yegocha
Just met with this team. I wish them well, my friend. Tumefunga Kisii.
Tunaenda kufunga.
Tumefunga sasa funga. Tumefunga matoko.
na hakurase bunge ye seneta senator wa county ya Kisii umoske Richard Mumwima Onyonka nigo anyari ko mochia egati yobokoreri kurase egati yabo bisa bekiombe kyanema ekyogiye kurigererio bocheno bwe bintu bitonjukanaine eme yense ya Kenya asate biri na chinsemo eme gusasa kurase county chonsi nigo bono eme chiemana hegenderete gutwara obokongo bwechi ubi nabo igo gutarendwa gwecindoche amache abantu bakonywa nebintu binde bingi buna eubi ko murwa chinsemo na sibono atebiri buna he committee ye bunge eri kurigereria mungana yobocheno nebona tegukora chitaro nabo igo kwanike buna ebintu byo byanyare kurigererirwa nabo igo kogororwa nenchiremo yogotoria biria bitunjukanaine.
Have an idea, I think, which might help us. Because, you know, we've been discussing this thing of NEMA for the last 3 weeks. Mr. Speaker, why can't the Environmental Committee of this House get out of here and just visit the country? You see, Mr. Speaker, what we have is that, like in Kisii, we only have one NEMA officer who is supposed to go through all the sewer, run through all the water water systems in Kisii, making sure that he's looking at the trees which are being cut, and all these things we are talking about. And Mr. Speaker, my honest feeling actually is that, like we have said before, the way we've been having where the Senate goes to Mashinani, I think some of our committees, Mr. Speaker, we don't even have to be in this house. Can we go around our country and look at the mess we have created so that then we can come up with solutions which are practical, so that when we are discussing and looking at what needs to be done, the committee should just be making recommendations as to what we need to do. Because, Mr. Speaker, we have been coming to this house, and it's not just environmental matters. It is on water, it is on, I could name 20 things which are not going on well. So, Mr. Speaker, I would like to say that I think let the committees visit the county governments, and then each committee can be writing a report. I don't see what we are doing here, sitting in this house every day doing nothing.
Na aba wakili meyense ya Kenya nigo bagendrete kubwatuka korokia gutagokiwa kwabo ninchira ensemo yebigambiro ekwira amanganabo na bakurawa ni kiumbe kia Law Society of Kenya arimuno wetera somoteneneri obo nere Senior Counsel Charles Kanjama nigobono banyare kwira okwemurungania kwabo na boigo banyare kubwatuka kwemurungania kwabo nase bakobore buna nigo abana chebina Getembe yense ya Kenya babiri bagutumika chinguru chiri babwate utaruka busio bwebigambiro chinga kibanyare kubwateranirwa asamangana au kusigotuka bale enama mucho ningana bono korengana na ikiumbe kia LSK batebire egenderete koleta okogosereria guchase ebigambiro imeyense na kutababuna banachebina bange nigo wakale kubuna machiko ikiagera batari kugania kuruka busio wabanachebina bandi.
Once those court orders that are stopping accountability are lifted, in the case-to-case basis, the boycott will stop against that particular judge or judicial officer. If tomorrow another judge goes to court and gets orders to stop accountability, they will come into the list. So the list is going to be dynamic and ongoing until we get a resolution on the question of accountability. And the Law Society of Kenya will consider other possible measures after we receive feedback from our members that is being collated in the course of the day today and in the course of this week against possibly other judicial officers and judges who may be involved with strong evidence in issues of corruption or misconduct.
If courts have become masters unto themselves, that they can stop court order, they can use court orders to stop the investigations, they can stop EACC from digging out the dirt, they can stop the JSC from being able to handle complaints placed before them, then how can we trust in our courts?
The judiciary is irredeemably compromised and is unable to act as an arbiter whenever disputes arise. And what that means is that it will become a jungle.
And this is a message that I want to pass to Chief Justice Martha Koome. We've sat with you. We've asked you to take the necessary steps to ensure that there is accountability and integrity in the judiciary.
Mancho murigiria gukwirania ase bungeri ye Senate kubwatekana no murobelio ogendrete bubwaga chibwe chinyomba cherigurirense betera se serikali ya Omoske William Ruto nikobono afaseneta babiri bagutwara kumusana na igoro yenganejo asavange babo batebire buna nonye usasense moyabo batebire nonye chinyomba echi chigendrete kwa gacho kati ya Kenya tivali konyara gwikera kose konyara gwakanera korengana neligori elio lire igoro na sense moyende bagote buna chindemero chioko simekendagira chiabire chigo kya eyueruya Abakenya banyale gotalera umurobelio yo wa affordable housing
is Milimani. It was attacked, houses were razed down. We supported because we thought the government knew what it was doing, only for it to end up using half an acre of over 20 acres that were pulled down. Our town now looks like a city where there was a war because buildings have been destroyed. The so-called affordable houses have not been put up. This should not be allowed. The National Land Commission should be consulted on such important issues.
As a country, the land does not expand. The limit, the growth that we have, 55.5 million Kenyans, will continue. And Mr. Speaker, that is why the wisdom of Dr. William Samoei Kipchirchir Arap Ruto for coming up with affordable housing. This is the reason. People who want to scrap for affordable housing should listen to this, Mr. Speaker. Because we cannot, even the Kisii, where you're coming from, Mr. Speaker, and Nyamira, people there are so many that there is no land to expand to. The solution is promoting affordable housing program, Mr. Speaker. And we must support the president so that we can ensure we have more agricultural land to...
Now Bishop Omonene we kanisa yege Anglikana gose ACK nere Bishop Jackson Ole Sapit asensemo ya eniga mochiri ensemo itenenere tobolendi me yense ya Kenya asate biro no komenta kana kubo uni gose amangana yobo salia na bwo kubura kubolendi nigo ereri baga rie serikali kweneke buna yanyale kwa aba Kenya obolendi boisaine asate biro buna konya kurutera na chi amangana gose chi meme igoro yokubura kubolendi ndite kukonya abakenya seboniga ikiagera nigo ere jukumu ya serikali kweneke buna abakenya bonsi batingeriwe obolendi.
This will still be the demands Kenyans are making, that this culture must be brought to an end, but action and justice must be demonstrated by those who are supposed to take care of us, those who are supposed to maintain law and order. And the question I asked them, who is now in charge of law and order in Kenya? Is it the goons or the police? Even after the attack of the cathedral, we have seen, it has not diminished, it has heightened. It has been like hyped. It's going to another level. We can now see in broad daylight people in Prados and Subarus and X-Trails move around and, at the display of everyone.
Wansi umurigiria gendera kubwatia Getembe TV ase mitandao yekerero Getembe TV na boigo Getembe TV and FM mutandao Facebook or YouTube na boigo mutandao o TikTok na boigo ase mutandao o X gendera utwara oburigiria obya nche Matildah Obaigwa nyaboke veni korwase bimanyererio ayona yenda mange enyora senchirangi kirano kigima gikoroga Chinsa ibere na boigo Chinsa nye chialero omorogova korwase studio yakavire nere Kevin Ongeri twara emorogo ingia na boigo oboligereria uvotoererume Ekeonga kya mwamugusi.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoke mu cy'obusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwasa chi company ao obusi bw'ingano amabuta y'icingeni kurwasa chi company ao amajani kurwasa company ya Keteba echumbya Kensalt egati bintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwasa company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ni chirangi ao nkonya bale black sheets egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolere bintu biga asiri guriria mu buko asamange totalere astisemo cha Uhuru complex eyerange na magacho asafaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakuru ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomucho songo bakiresi migwetra search number chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. nubwatekorera kundi gwensi ebenkulie kw'emikutano okorere kugukwa kulie gukwinyulia kusemera igende yonsi oraganie erariwe mono Getembe FM.